Hello, welcome to Theosophy in Wales. I'm Dave Marsland. Climacteric. Well, the general use of this word is a critical period in human life. Now, Theosophists take it a little bit further than that, really describing it as a crisis during which many factors come together, but of which the outcome is not fixed. It's an adjustment of karma, basically keeping the book straight. It can be a clearing, and it can be the start of a new era, and it's teaching you something that you need to learn, and it's really teaching you big time. Also, individuals, nations and humanity can experience this and go through climacterics. Karma is a teacher, and we learn from it. Now, in the Secret Doctrine, H.P. Blavatsky uses an astrological interpretation of the climacteric, and she mentions that Kepler believed that certain sidereal alignments brought about climacteric years for humanity, and these are years in which humanity changes. Now, Paul Camera, in his Camera's Law of Seriality, which I'll cover that in another post in Camera's Law of Seriality, he observed that it never rains but it pours, and this is quite a common experience. And he said that this is a law of nature, that things just don't happen in a sort of evenly spaced manner. Events come together in a sort of climacteric, although he never actually used the word, although he was Austrian, but he took this to be a law of nature, that things come together at once. Now, Victorian doctors, they used the word climacteric as a health term, and they use it to explain why some people die and others don't, often from more or less the same illness. Also, a number of Victorian doctors would expect climacterics later in a person's life. They said it was something they associated with older people. Also, there was a belief that you experience a health climacteric every few years, during which you've a good chance of dying. That says something about Victorian medicine. Anyway, now, some people believe that every so many years you have a climacteric. Sometimes they base it on the number 7, or the number 7 multiplied by 3, 5, 7 and 9, which would give you 21, 35, 49 and 63. I don't know if anybody has experienced climacterics in those years, but I think this is more like the idea of a midlife crisis. In fact, I think you have a midlife crisis every 5 years anyway. Now, this is different. This is karma teaching you something. You can't predict when a climacteric is going to come. It'll come when karma dictates you need to experience one. You can't avoid it, and you just have to deal with it. So there we are. No free lunch.